Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ke jingkuli ka jingseo ka barik. But hila bandai group ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number. Kandai nyo sao san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riwe kandai pran.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hila banyo na barok kidukan
rakam sangma ubolong menteri ubapet yakatnat puli puthi jong sorkar jilla haka pratri ujele arjar pulai ula plepat ba yak Jingïathir nia ka arsngi Halor kapang National Education Policy 2020 Implementation and Interpretation at School Level bala pelong da Department of Sociology bat ka Department of Education haringkat ka Jingïathir lang bat ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy ka sorkar jilla ka bala long ha Synod College Shillong hakini kesngi la sakhilang do nong ai boy ka tanat puli puthi ka sorkar jilla uba Himalaya Shangpliang u principal jong ka college u Dr. RM Lingdo ki samla pulie bat ki noi shementa ha ka Jingïathir nia
to address the emerging challenges of the ever-changing world. It is in this context that we have NEP 2020, which has the potential to translate into much-needed and timely reformatory movement. The Government of India has created national policy on education to encourage education across all economic strata and include common person in the mainstream. This strategy covers a wide range of topics, from elementary education to institutions for higher learning, in both rural and urban context. The policy is comprehensive, all-encompassing and far-sighted, and it will undoubtedly play a major role in the country's future development. It proposes to make the educational framework adaptive, multidisciplinary and tailored to the needs of the 21st century as well as to the Sustainable Development Goals of 2030. It's also significant to appreciate the emerging characteristics of knowledge. Knowledge has been de-institutionalized. You can access any information anywhere at any time, provided you have a technology to access it.
So see, friends, we understand the problems on the ground. Today you're going to hear a lot of theories. Ye karna hai, wo karna hai, this has to be done, that has to be done, you people have to do this, you have to maintain this chart, maintain this thing, maintain this thing. Deep down in your head you say, well, we will do. But, always a big but with dot dot dots. Because when your children are hungry, when your school is leaking, when your children do not have books, when your children do not have uniforms, what do we do with the policy? Am I right or not? Therefore, we from the government are here to support you now. This policy has to be implemented. As it goes, funds will also flow. Because if you do not implement the policy, there is no funds. Am I right or not? Madam Sumo is really nodding because she knows. She's been mugging this policy every day, every night. And she knows where we stand. Therefore, we must take this opportunity to implement the policy to bring a brighter future for our children. This policy is going to bring a bright future for every child in the state. Now, if I ask any of you, sir or madam, what is your dropout rate? Some may be brave enough to say, but some will shy away to say. They'll shy away, they'll say, sir, actually, not too many, one or two, but it's not a fact. There are many. There are many dropouts. We need to conduct a study now. I told the Honorable Minister yesterday that first and foremost we have to conduct a study on the dropouts. Why and how many? These two questions bog my mind because I do not want to see children dropping out. Now for flimsy reasons that okay, I have 12 children, now out of the 12 I will support only 5 and the rest 7 you go, you attend to the cows, attend to households, attend to this, you go and belong. This is not acceptable anymore in this present century. 12 children if you want to have, please have. But all 12 children should be supported with education.
Yes, the world, the globally, is on the transition state these days. The 1 month back, I was in London. I've been privileged to speak at Oxford University. I was talking to them this same issue. Because globally, the new education policy 2020 of Government of India, globally, it's what's talking about today. I think the concept, the design, the ideas of coming up with NEP 2020, it's really lots of concept that I want to call the objective to be met. India is really going ahead, and our impact is being felt across the globe today. And the World Education Forum, which was organized in London, the founder and the CEO of Court Company, Mr. Hadi Parboti. He was giving a presentation on the computer science, was talking about artificial intelligence. The state is, we're looking forward to make efforts. In all sectors, I think number one in education. If we go back, I think as an education sector, we have lots to be done. Lots to be done. Let us really make efforts. Let's inspire the globe. Let's prepare ourselves. We have the potential, friends. Yes, we may have to redesign our policy. We have to revamp our ideas. Let's always up to date. There are many theories, there are many physics theories which doesn't work anymore. Which does not work anymore. Because when somebody was saying, when the COVID came in globally, everybody was confused. Somebody was asking, where is the philosopher? Where is the research scholar? Where is the best doctor? Where is the best country? Everybody were confused. I would like to thank each one of you who have come all the way from different institutions. As a government, we are looking forward for your contribution, for the guidance, and we are looking forward for your cooperation with the government in redesigning our state, in redesigning our future of our children. Many things to be coming, many things to be said. Therefore, I'm happy to see the best minds coming together. As Education Minister of the state, would like to appeal to each one of you. It should not be the responsible of the Education Minister and the Education Department of the state. No. The responsibility is with each one of us. Let us soldier the responsibility in shaping the better future of this world. The world is looking ahead, looking forward to your contribution in the sector.